Dreaming of a master's in Germany? Here's your complete step-by-step guide, from choosing the right STEM university to landing there. All footage and visuals used in this video are copyright-free, CC0, or used under license. We'll use simple steps, clear checklists, and trusted links throughout. Germany is known for world-class universities, top-tier research, and almost no tuition fees at public universities. You'll learn in state-of-the-art labs and apply knowledge to real problems. Typical living costs, about 990 and 200 thalers per month, depending on city and lifestyle. For your visa, you'll show funds via a blocked account, 11,904 per year in 2025. Great public transport, museums, concerts, your weekends are never dull. Germany's central location makes European travel easy and affordable. A powerhouse economy with strong demand for STEM talent and a clear path from education to employment. Universities collaborate with industry, offering internships and thesis projects. Graduates can stay to seek jobs via post-study work options. In short, world-class education, minimal tuition at public universities, vibrant culture, and strong career prospects, all in one place. Here are standout universities for STEM. Public first, then private options. Technical University of Munich, TUM. Engineering, IT, data, AI, with strong industry ties. RWTH Aachen, a mechanical and industrial engineering powerhouse. Heidelberg University, world-class in life sciences and physics. KIT, Karlsruhe Institute of Technology, a university and national research center. LMU Munich, prestige programs including physics and biosciences. The Berlin cluster, TU Berlin, Humboldt, and Freie Universität, forms a top research alliance. Public universities charge no tuition for most masters, expect semester fees only. Plan for living costs, roughly $990 to $200 per month. Private options include SRH Heidelberg, smaller classes, career focus. Frankfurt School, strong industry network and business tech programs. Private tuition typically $8,000 to $20,000 per year. Common English taught programs, engineering, computer science, data science, robotics, and AI. Top research areas span energy, mobility, healthcare, advanced manufacturing, and software systems. Shortlist across public and private based on academics, budget, and city fit. Links are in the description. Use a simple spreadsheet to compare program fit, entry requirements, deadlines, location, living costs, internships. 1. Choose the program. Verify if it is English taught or requires German. 2. Check GPA, prerequisites, and language test minimums. 3. Confirm deadlines. Winter intake, usually mid-July. Summer intake around mid-January. Always verify on official pages. 4. Balance big city opportunities with cost. Munich is pricier than Leipzig. Prioritize departments with industry partnerships. 5. Build a shortlisting sheet to make apples-to-apples comparisons. Reading modules and research groups ensures the content truly matches your interests. Align choices with your career plan. Research-heavy versus industry-oriented. A systematic approach turns a long list into a focused top 5-8 shortlist. 1. Research courses via official links. Some universities use their own portal. Many use Uni-Assist. Uni-Assist checks your documents for formal compliance and forwards eligible applications. Always confirm the correct portal on the university's international admissions page. 2. Prepare documents, transcripts and degree, detailed CV, SOP letter of motivation, 2 to 3 LORs, language scores, passport. Your SOP should connect past projects to program fit and future goals. Ask professors early for strong, specific LORs. 3. Fill forms carefully. Upload clear PDFs exactly as required. Double-check names, dates, and history. Some programs need certified hard copies by post. Read instructions closely. 4. Pay any fees and submit well before deadlines. 5. Track application status via the portal. For October start, aim to finish by mid-June. For April start, aim by mid-December. Early is better. Build buffer time for missing documents, postal delays, or portal issues. Processing can take weeks to months. Stay patient and responsive to emails. Public tuition, free for most masters. Pay only a semester contribution, no 100, low 352. Private tuition, roughly $8,000, $20,000 per year. Plan about $1,000 per month for living expenses. Proof of funds via a blocked account, $11,904 per year, 2025. You'll access funds in fixed monthly portions. Scholarships, DAAD, Erasmus+, Heinrich, Böll, Konrad, Adenauer and University grants. Apply early with a strong academic profile and a focused study plan. Budget for any portal fees, visa fee, $11,900 blocked account, and realistic monthly costs for your city. A solid financial plan lets you study with confidence and focus on research, labs, and career opportunities. Once you have admission, start your visa process immediately. 1. Get admission. 2. Open blocked account. 3. Arrange health insurance. 4. Book visa appointment. 5. Find accommodation. 6. Register address. Anmeldung. 7. Apply for residence permit. Prepare passport, admission letter, proof of funds, blocked account, and health insurance. Travel insurance may suffice for visa. After enrollment, switch to German public or approved private student insurance. Apply early for Studentenwerk dorms. Also check WG listings for shared flats. After arrival, 1. Register your address at the Bürgeramt within 2 weeks. 2. Apply for your residence permit at the Ausländerbehörde. Starting early keeps everything smooth, from embassy appointments to housing and enrollment. Missing deadlines, admissions, Uni-Assist, scholarships, visa. No exceptions. Submitting incomplete or uncertified documents, ignoring minimum language scores, a 1-point shortfall can mean rejection. Under budgeting or delaying your blocked account, fix finances early. Create a master calendar, checklist each application, verify requirements, and give yourself buffer time. All admission and scholarship links are in the description below. Like and subscribe for more study abroad guides. You now have a clear roadmap from shortlisting to visas. Start today. Your German STEM master's journey can begin now. Watch next for scholarship strategies and application SOP tips. All visuals are CC0 or used under license. Check description for sources. Viel Erfolg, and see you in Germany.